Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I told y'all last week we had a 1 week ad and I was right because of Halloween. We were back at CVS this week, and CVS, guess what, has one freebie, and I bet you any amount of money that my store is already sold out. It's whatever, not the end of the world to me. It just wasn't meant to be, is how I look at it. I never get mad if I can't grab a deal. It just wasn't meant to be. There's plenty other deals. There will always be more deals for me. That's how I gotta look at it. Yes, I am extremely overtired. I worked 2 13-hour shifts back to back with 4 hours of sleep in between, and I got my butt kicked last night at work. So, and you might be like, Amanda, you should just go to bed. I'm the type of person that would go to bed for like 3 hours, wake up, and then be stuck awake all day because I took a 3-hour nap. So yeah, can't do that. But we're gonna save tons of money at CVS. There's great deals. There's a gift card deal as well. Hopefully my store is tagged so I can show you the specific gift cards that you're gonna look for. And like always, there is a printable breakdown just in case you want to take a look at it, print it off, take it to the store with you. There's also that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Easy clearance is on these Oral-B oral rinses. They're 50% off at $5.24. Oh y'all, we got the beginning of a few Nexus clearance. Like even that big bottle, 25% off. Alright y'all, this deal is online only, and select stores have to offer pickup for it. My store does not, otherwise I would have grabbed this deal, but it's on the Head & Shoulders Bare products. Select ones are 75% off online, so it's $3, and we have a $3 digital coupon making one of these free. And then select Head & Shoulder ones, like the regular ones, are 50% off, and then we have, I think it's like a $4 or $5 off of 2 digital coupon that would attach to those. So you can grab these deals online if your store allows pickup for these. Alright, so right now select Irish Spring or soft soap, or buy 2, get $3 in extra bucks, and then buy 1 get 1 50% off. So the soft soap are $6.59 at my store, so grabbing 2 of these will be $9.88 because one will be full price, one will be 50% off. We have a $3.50 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $6.38 at the register. We'll get the $3 extra buck for buying 2, making them $3.38 for both. Now, if you prefer to grab the Irish Spring, they're on that same promotion, but they're just a little slightly more expensive at $6.79. So one at full price, one at 50% off will be $10.18. Use that $3.50 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $6.68 at the register. Get the $3 extra buck for buying 2, making them $3.68 for both. Or if you want to grab one of each, the soft soap will be the one that's 50% off since it is the cheaper item. Your total for both of them will be $10.08. We'll use that digital coupon for $3.50, so that means you'll be left to pay $6.58 at the register. Give the $3 extra buck for buying 2, making them $3.58 for both. Y'all, when I say I was so wrong about having stock about this in my store, there's literally 4 left. I'm shocked. But anyway, so Axe body wash is buy 2 get $4 in extra bucks, and then buy 1 get 1 50% off. They're $5.99 at my store, so grabbing 1 at full price, 1 at 50% off will be $8.98. We have a $5 digital coupon, so that means I'll be left to pay $3.98 at the register. We'll get the $4 extra buck for buying 2, making them completely free. So right now, select Old Spice Olay lotion and Safeguard hand soap or sanitizer is buy 2 get $6 in extra bucks, and the single count hand soaps are included, but my store's already sold out of this deal. This deal is really good. They're $4.79, so grabbing 2 of them will be $9.58. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $8.58 at the register. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back when buying 2. Then we'll get the $6 in extra bucks for buying 2, make them $1.58 for both. Now, if your store is out of the Safeguard hand soap, or if you don't want to get that, you can also grab the Old Spice Pump body wash. Now, at my store, the ones that are tagged are the expensive ones, but these cheaper ones are also included. These are $11.49, so grabbing two of them will be $22.98. We have a $4 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $18.98 at the register. Then we'll get the $6 extra buck for buying two, plus we'll submit to Ibotta for $7 back for buying two, making them $5.98 for both. We have a super hot deal on Nivea body wash as well. So right now they are buy two, get $7 in extra bucks, and the men's are $5.99. So you can grab two for $11.98. We have a $2 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $9.98 at the register. We'll get the $7 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $2.98 for both. There's a super hot deal on the L'Oreal Paris Revital Lift. You can grab the Daily Cream Cleanser for $4.69, or you can grab the Revital Lift Bright Reveal for $9.79. We have a $5 CRT everyone should have gotten on their account, so it will make this one just $4.69, or if grabbing this one, it'll be $4.79. We also have a deal on L'Oreal Facial Care where you buy $40 worth of any products, you'll get $15 in extra bucks. The best way to do this deal, or the easiest way, is to grab something like this Age Perfect Cell Renewal. This is a midnight serum. This is $45.49. We have that $5 CRT everyone got, plus check your account. I have a 5 off of 25 purchase, so those will stack together. Plus, I have a $6 digital coupon, so that means I'll be left to pay $29.49 at the register. Get the $15 in extra bucks for spending the $45, making it $14.49. So right now we have an amazing deal on grocery items. For you spend $10, you'll get $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab some of these Nature Valley bars. We have some fruit roll-ups that are included, as well as some Gushers. Select General Mills cereal bars are included. Progressive soups are included as well. We also have some baking items that are included. But in my opinion, the best way to do this deal, depending on the coupons you have, is to grab the cereal that's included in this deal. So since the cereal is 2 for $5, you're going to grab a total of 4 boxes for $10. I have $2 off of 2 digital coupons, so that means I'll be left to pay $8 at the register. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta, where I have 50 cents on each box, so we'll get a total of $2 from Ibotta and the $3 register reward for spending $10, making all 4 boxes just $3. Select Total Home products are buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks, and there's tons of items to choose from. So you can grab some of these sponges that are like $3.99, or you can grab these gloves. These are $4.99. Or you can grab something like this glass cleaner. This is a really good savings because finding deals on Windex is kind of hard to do. So this week, the household deal is poopy. Let me tell you, it is spend $20, get $4 in extra bucks. What is that? So just in case you want to do this deal or need some of these products, I'm going to go over some items with some digital coupons. So we have the Dawn Power Wash, and there is a $2 digital coupon. And guess what? The Coupons 24 app literally started working like a couple hours after I left the store last week. How annoying. But I think we might have a $2 digital coupon on there for this as well. So select Febreze products are on sale for $5.99. And we have a $3.50 digital coupon off of 2. And it does include some of these Febreze plug refills. They're not tagged, but they are on the sale for $5.99. The Downy Unstoppables are $6.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon for these. We also have regular laundry products, but we can usually put those in like a spend 30 deal and get them for a better deal. So if you want, I would suggest grabbing some of the Febreze products we don't get that many deals on, or the Dawn Power Wash. So mix and match those would be my suggestion. Right now, there's really good savings on Persil small liquids. This is the 34 ounce. There's the original or the intense fresh. They are buy 2, get $6 in extra bucks, and they're $6.99. So grabbing 2 will be $13.98. Now, if you're lucky enough to have hang tags or peelies left, you'll use 2 of them and pay $9.98 at the register. You'll submit to Ibotta. We have 50 cents only on one, unfortunately. And then look at the $6 in extra bucks for buying two, making them $3.74. Or if you have some old coupons, I heard Persil is a non-expiring brand. So if you feel comfortable enough using expired coupons, you can use two of those as well. All right, y'all, I'm doing these 4 deals. So let's go check out and see how we do. All right, we're back in from checkout and I grabbed everything that I showed you guys. So the 4 boxes of cereal, the Axe, and then the Nivea body wash. So for digital coupons, we have the $5 for the Axe. The Nivea did not come off, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to call customer service for that one. So I had the cashier void the transaction, and then I went and grabbed 2 other cents. So we'll see what customer service says. But then I rolled a whole bunch of extra bucks, and then the third time I was like, I'm just gonna add 2% cash rewards. I did lose a whole penny. I added this, and then I added the $4. I did my math. I'm trying to be really good on my math this month and next month. I unfortunately miscalculated by a penny with the 2% cash reward, so I lost out on a penny. But you see this, 0. I paid nothing but taxes, so I'm okay with that. I lost a penny, oh well. Then I submitted to Ibotta for $2. I'm pretty sure the cashier hates me right now because I had them do the transaction 3 times. But I was trying to get that $2 coupon. I don't understand why it didn't come off. But, so the whole haul was a $2 moneymaker. And then I did get the $5 for buying the 2 Total Home products. And then the $3 for the cereal. And then the $7 for the Nivea. And then the $4 extra buck for the Axe. So everything worked out pretty well. I just don't know why the Nivea didn't come off, so I'll have to call customer service. And I hate CVS customer service because they always argue with you, and half the time they won't give you the money back. Thankfully, it's only $2 and it's not like a bigger coupon. If it was a bigger coupon, I would have probably just put them back. But just be careful when you're buying the Nivea body wash. Okay, guys, I just quickly looked into the Nivea product, and the coupon was for lotion. That's my own fault. I was trying to rush in store. There's a vendor over there doing a lot of work, so in between him being loud and everything, I was trying to quickly record and everything and get out of there. So that's my fault for not scanning the product in the store and trying to rush and everything. So whatever, not the end of the world. Now I can understand why the cashier is probably pissed at me, because 3 times for a coupon that doesn't even work for this. Duh. Anyway, learn from my mistake. Scan the products in the store always, no matter what. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.